magkakapatid na nag-celebrate ng 60. Sa dinami-rami po nilang magkakapatid, siya pa lang po ang nakapag-reach ng 60. So it's a huge milestone. Kaya naman po, sana mabigyan po natin ng pansin, yung mga messages ng mga magkakapatid. Okay? And for that, deserve po ng isang masigawang palakpakan. Ayan. Yes, Mr. Homer, your message to Mommy Beth, please.
Anton, happy birthday.
Louder. Tutok na yung mic ko.
Sana yan yung tinong lumang 60. Ikaw yung nila 60.
Yes.
Iyang magkakita. Iyang magkakita sa akin. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Sir Homer. Please have a photo op with Mommy Beth. Thank you, Mr. Homer. And last but not least is Mr. Albert Pagador.
Wala akong birthday. 60. Sa birthday. Sana tama yeah. Tama.
Sir Albert, pinapatagdagan nila. Dagdagan niya yung ano. Okay, photographer please. Ayan. At dahil minsan lamang po magsama-sama ang magkakapatid, Ma'am Velo and Sir Homer, please join them. No? Para po sa photo op ng magkakapatid. Punta po tayo lahat dito. Please po. Ayan. Because honestly, di ba po, tomorrow is never guaranteed. Kaya we should celebrate every single day na kasama po natin ang family natin, ang friends natin. And the mere fact that we are breathing is already a big blessing. No? And this is also a great testament of God's grace in Mommy Beth's life. No? Dahil hanggang ngayon, magkakasama po sila magkakapatid. And she was able to celebrate this very huge milestone of hers. There you go. Once again, palakpakan po natin ang very Pagador family.